Hi kids, hello, how are you? Are you fine? Yes. So see what in my hands? I told you now we will start in our books. We will be writing in our book. See from your set, you take out these books. English course book, Maths practice book, English workbook and Maths workbook. These four books you have to write today. Okay children? So this is your English course book. So open this book, English course book, and open the pages. First page, page number 1 you open. Here rhyme is given. We have learned this rhyme now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me ABC? Okay. So today we will be starting in our book. See page number 2. Take your pencil. Here A to Z letters, alphabets are given. Uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Uppercase letters means capital letters. Lowercase letters means small letters. So just you have to oral drilling, you have to do this page. Just read out the capital letters and small letters. Take your pencil or keep your finger where you are reading the letters. See, you have to read like this. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Like this you have to read 5 times. Okay children. So read this, do oral drilling 5 times. Page number 2. Next open your page number 3. Put today's date here. Okay. So here you can see the letters in the dotted. In the dots you can see the letters, all the alphabets. So left side you have given capital letters and right side towards it is given small letters. So first what you have to do means you have to trace these letters. Capital A like this, connect the dots. Like this you have to join the dots. Capital A. Then small a. Slowly you have to join the dots. Then one big line is given. Capital A to small a. From capital A to small a you have to connect these dotted lines like this. It will become like sleeping line. When you join these dots, it will become a sleeping line. So you have to join capital A to small a. Then you have to read capital A, small a. Next letter, what is this next letter? B. Capital B. Like this, you have to trace on the dots. Capital B, small b. Then after writing, tracing on the dots letters, you have to join these red dots. Red dots is you have to join this capital A to capital B to small b. So you have to join all the capital letters to the small letters. So capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. So today's your work in English course book is, you have page number 3, date write and connect the capital letters from A to G. You have to write this work, you have to complete this work today. Okay children. So after writing this, close this book and next take English workbook. So take out this book, again open this book, English workbook open. take your pencil. See page number 1 here. Put today's date here. Write today's date here. Then here practicing writing the uppercase and lowercase letters together. Together we have to trace capital letter and small letter. Like this. Dots you have to join the dots. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. See children, how I am writing? You have to write this. Capital D, small d, capital E, small e. Like this, all letters you have to join and learn these letters. In this page, capital A to small a to capital L, small l given. So you learn this page, how to write the letters. You have learned this, join the dots and learn the letters. So in English workbook, page number 1 you have to complete today. Okay children? So next you close these books. Then you take maths practice book. This book is maths practice book. Like notebook it is given. You open this. Already we have learned the numbers from 1 to 20 in our class, in the last classes. Today here we are going to write the numbers. See here, write the numbers. Here from 0 they have been started. So first write here, dots are given. Dot to the last line you have to join. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to write this page. Here also you can write the date here and start writing 0 to 5. Again leave this line where dot given. From that line you have to start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to write the full page. In maths practice book, page number 1 given. In maths practice book you have to complete page number 1. Today it is your work in maths practice book. Then after writing, close this book. Next open maths workbook. Maths workbook. Very easy children. So here you open page number 2. Don't write page number 1 now only. You should complete page number 2 first. See here, trace the numbers from 1 to 20. Already we have learned 1 to 20 numbers. So what you have to do here, dots are given. You have to connect join the dots like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. So here you can see 4 is written in this way. We have learned 4 like this. You can write 4 in this way also children. So join the dots and write the numbers from 1 to 10 first. Then again next row you have to write. Then third row. Then afterwards 11 to 20 given. You have to complete this one also. So write today's date here. And start writing 1 to 10 first. After completing these 1 to 10 numbers, then you start writing 11 to 20. 1, 1, 11. Say and write like this. 1, 1, 11. When you are writing, you have to read that number only. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Like this you have to say each number and write. Read read and write. Don't write just like that only. You have to read also. Then only you can tell the numbers orally. You have to read and write from 1 to 20 numbers. So in maths workbook, today is we have to write page number 2. It's your work. Okay children. So 4 books I have given the work. Maths workbook, maths practice book, English workbook and English course book. So in these 4 books only you start writing today. Okay children. See you in next class. Thank you.